Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the outer door panel on this LG dishwasher. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The main reasons that people replace the outer door panel is if it's damaged or if they're changing the color of the front of the dishwasher. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dishwasher. With the door open, remove the 6 Phillips screws along the outside edge. It is easiest to sit cross-legged under the door to support it. Then, slide the panel downwards to release it. Partially close the door, tilt the cover down, and pry on the bottom corner to remove it. If you need a new door panel, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you get the correct part. If you want a different color, you'll need to search with the model number of the dishwasher of the color that you're looking for. For instance, the last 2 digits on this LG dishwasher indicate the color code. To install the door, align the notches on the door with the hinges, tilt up, and slide in place. While holding the panel in place, open the door and reinstall the screws. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.